Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jedidiah Mori, and this is Gist That Matters. And if you are watching me for the first time, hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload video, you will get notification. My people, una see, I just have to do this video. Why I say I just have to do this video? Be say somebody draw my attention to about this Neloma TV, that girl, of what she just said about me. So, and I want to ask Neloma, what be her motive? What is her motive of doing that video that me, I be, some of una, they say, why I carry this matter come Whitey. Why I no go carry this matter come this Whitey, be say, you know how many people where this girl go continue to the dagbo. Now when we say I don't carry this matter come Whitey, at least una don't know who she be. So that in case she won't come borrow again next time, because no need be say anybody will be say they capable of borrowing money and you no won't pay that person to tell lie against a fellow woman, or to blackmail the person, to blackmail me, or to tell lie against the person, not be big thing, because can't cook up story and tell person wetin you no go fit do. If you can cook up story of this kind of thing and say it, somebody that is capable of borrowing money without paying is capable of doing anything, is capable of doing anything. So nothing will be say poverty no go make person do. So as I don't carry this Neloma matter come Whitey, at least una don't know who she be. In case next time Neloma TV come say he want to borrow money for anybody, make una no give her money. Na Onigbese, na be her nickname. Neloma TV Onigbese, that is your nickname, because all this one maybe say you do, you are wasting your time, because you go at the end of the day you go pay the money. So for those of una they beg me, they tell me say make I leave her, make I stop, make I. Now only person will be say no get sense, now you go believe this her story where she just talk. Only person will be say no they think. Now you go know only person will be say no they think very well. When you know they reason, when you know they using number 6 the reason. No say any girl will be say if he borrow money, come out publicly, they open and say no go pay this. To come accuse a married woman of snatching in fiancé, that one na big matter. That one na serious case. He not go hard am now, because to borrow money and to accuse person, which one hard pass? Now to borrow money and not pay, na hard pass now. So if she can do that, so there's nothing this girl cannot do. But I want to let una know say I will not let this matter end. She go pay that money back, and I go make sure say now for this my own matter, this my own case, now she go end this habit of borrowing and not paying. No put your hand for where your power no reach. So as it be say you go look finished. Now Maureen, now you look finished, say you want to bring come out. I know say a lot of people say, why I go bring this matter on social media, this. What una want me to do? What una want me to do? If I no even bring this matter come social media, una go know this kind girl. Una go know say this girl no need. But for those of una wey be say una don call me, they beg me say make I forget about the whole matter, that I should leave her. You see, the best form of defense na attack. Neloma is attacking me because she does not want to pay the money. She said it. She said it in the video that I make her concerning her owing me. She say me, I do something when be say it touch her. That is why she has refused to pay me that money, and that she will not pay me. So Neloma, I just want to ask you, what be your motive? You want to remove me for marriage, abi? You want to remove me for marriage, and you say you go share the video, say that make my husband see am. Neloma, for your information, I dey for my husband house, I balance gidigba. I balance. You not go feel remove me from marriage. My marriage solid, strong, solid. Not be today I marry you. I've been married for the past 17 years, if you don't know. Because maybe you see me for this whitey, Then you now look at me as if I'm your mate. Though I marry early, but my marriage is strong, Digba, like Aso Rock. I have a very strong marriage. I have a very strong foundation. My marriage not be a shaky one. I have a very strong foundation in my marriage, and not even what you wrote, because not what even what you said, because what you said, I just asked me. I told him, Mr. Emeka, my husband just smile laugh. As for that Emeka, your fiancé aspect, I dey come to that one. I dey come to that one because see person wey be say I wan help. See girl wey be say I dey help. Up all the thing wey be say I dey do for you, wey be say I help. Now this way now you want to pay me, abi? All the thing wey be say I plan for you, everything wey be say I do for you. Now like this, na Eloma TV, now like this you want to pay me. You dey ask me whether na my papa me I dey try to do say because say my papa die. Say your papa don die since. Neloma, do you know what a father means? Do you know what it means for somebody to lose in father? So now so your mind be now so you get wicked hearts. Wicked hearts. Una wey be say una dey listen to me. If una know Neloma, if you know Neloma, and you know you love that girl very much, you love her, advise her, because a lot of people they ask me say why I bring this matter come Whitey. And they tell us here say now for Whitey here me and Neloma meet, and anytime I call Neloma, you know they grade the pick her call. Now so she they post me. If na you, what you for do? What you for do? So as I don't carry this matter, come this Whitey now. As I carry this matter, come this Whitey. A lot of una they say I for no carry the matter come. But what una want me to do? Neloma, you no go feel move me from my husband house. I balance with the back. I balance. My husband when be say marry me, you know the kind person when I be. So not even those talk when be say you purposely said those words that you purposely call me that name so that maybe you go feel say this woman once I don't talk like this, she go shame, she not go feel talk, she go shame. Then from there I go forget about the money. Hey, worry say odi for you. In fact, see you now you won't come guy. Hey, now Neloma won't come guy me you, so that I no go feel come talk. Shame go come catch me. You know sister they shame. You know see me say na shame now they catch me so. Me worry woman, me wafi woman, me wey be say I grow for worry. You small girl, now you won't come guide me. You owe me money on top of that one. You won't come the blackmail me on top. Say one thing. Hey, we don't see where person they marry two husbands. As I did now, I have a very handsome man. Where we say they give me everything when I want. I have beautiful children. My marriage is doing very well. What will even make me to even look outside for crying out loud? Then for your mind now, if you say I snatch your fiancé, then you even get fiancé whether they snatch. Emeka, no worry. I will tell them who Emeka be. And this. Oh God. It's not funny because this whole thing just make me laugh because more could I talk to Neloma because I'm coming to that Asaba. If I come to that Asaba, I go break am into two. That black where she black like a thing and no blood with lean. When you see her now, she dry kakaraka. So now because of wickedness now make Neloma no feel fat. Nothing where frustration no they make person do. Nothing where frustration no they make person. See girl where beside they help. Person when I they help, now come they accuse me. See girl. You upon all what I do for this girl, upon what I do for you know see the way you just a fool yourself. You are a mumu girl. Neloma TV, you are a mumu girl. You don't get sense. Why I say you don't get sense? Say if person do good for you, you go use good to pay am back. Since it be say you look finish, say na this direction you won't go. Me and you we go dig around. We go dig around for this white thing, we go dig around na me and you. See person when be say they help, see person when I they help. Only you now cry, come meet me, say make I find money for you. At the end of the day, pay back. Now be all this one where you go post, go here, you go post, go here. At the end of the day, you can't cook up this story. Say, Maureen, me, me, when my marriage solid like Aso Rock, won't come. I pity you. I pity you. You don't know where they pay you. Just want talk go down in fiancé side, but I dey wait for am. I must come that Asaba. If I reach Asaba, if una love am, una tell am. If I come that Asaba, wetin I go take her eye see for her life. When she dey come this life next time, she not go borrow money. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Those of you wey be say una love am well, well, una go advise am, because wetin go come before am this period, e no go believe.